Light is the fastest thing in the universe. It escapes black holes, crosses galaxies, and defines the ultimate speed limit of reality itself. For centuries, scientists believed one thing was absolutely impossible: stopping light. But in the early 21st century, something extraordinary happened inside a quiet laboratory. For the first time in human history, scientists did what nature never allows. They froze light, not in science fiction, not in theory, but in reality. And what followed may change the future of technology, computing, and our understanding of the universe. To understand why this experiment shocked the scientific world, we must first understand what light really is. Light is made of particles called photons. Unlike ordinary matter, photons have no mass. Because of this, they move at a constant speed, about 300,000 kilometers per second. Nothing with mass can reach this speed, nothing can exceed it, and under normal conditions, nothing can slow light down. Even when light passes through glass or water, it doesn't truly slow down. It's absorbed and re-emitted so quickly that it only appears to move slower. For decades, physicists agreed, you cannot stop a photon, until quantum physics entered the story. In a laboratory cooled to near absolute zero, researchers prepared an unusual environment. They used a cloud of atoms known as a Bose-Einstein condensate, a state of matter so cold that atoms behave like a single quantum object. Then, they aimed a laser beam directly into this atomic cloud. Something unbelievable happened. The light slowed dramatically from 300,000 kilometers per second to just a few meters per second. Then it stopped. The photons didn't disappear. They didn't reflect away. Their information was transferred into the atomic structure itself. Light had been converted into a matter-like form. Frozen, stored, held in place. To be clear, this wasn't light turning into ice or glass. Instead, scientists captured the quantum information carried by the photons. The light's shape, phase, and data were imprinted onto the atoms. In effect, the light was paused, like stopping a video and pressing play later. When the scientists reactivated the system, the light resumed its journey exactly as it was before. Same direction, same structure, same information. This proved something astonishing. Light can be stored, manipulated, and released on command. Freezing light isn't just a scientific curiosity, it opened the door to technologies once considered impossible. First, quantum computers. These machines rely on fragile quantum states. Being able to store light means we can store quantum information more reliably, which could lead to computers millions of times faster than today's machines. Second, unhackable communication. Frozen light enables quantum encryption, a system where any attempt to spy on a message instantly destroys it. This could make global communication truly secure. Perhaps the most unsettling part of this discovery is not what it allows us to build, but what it forces us to reconsider. If light can be stopped, if the universe's fastest thing can be paused, what other laws are not as absolute as we believed? The day scientists froze light, they didn't just slow photons, they slowed our certainty. They showed us that reality is far more flexible and far more mysterious than we ever imagined. And as we continue to bend the rules of the universe, one question remains: what will we stop next? Thanks for watching. For more amazing stories like this, like and subscribe.